just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. On and on, we'll move a little closer. We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire. I wanna know, what are you waiting for? I wanna know just what you're waiting for, and you should know. You're so beautiful, so let me know.
Ladies and gentlemen, families and friends, let us welcome the beautiful and adorable celebrant of today. Let's give a round of applause to Anasta, Keilah,
No, I ain't looking back. Oh, what do I believe in? The past is in the past. Gonna steal away tomorrow, pay back the love we borrowed. Oh.